Hey, what's up, YouTubers, burritos? Welcome to another Do Road with Dutty. Now I am heading to the airport. Well, not really the airport. I'm gonna stop and pick up some clothes. And yeah, the shirt here was a box cover, but they decided some of us want a little, you know, a little short shirt. So big up Team Awesome, Scotticus from Team Awesome for, you know, printing the shirt for me. So if you want you look a print out on a t-shirt, you know, so you can link him. You can put information in the description or right down here. So my little brother over here, so yeah man, big bag boss, Mr. Papi Dan ENT on Instagram. You know, I drive me around for today and I carry me to the airport because that's what little brother should do. Support them big brother. Okay? Okay? Oh my gosh, I don't know if I expect. Like, I like travel by myself. I like them something like that.
Favorite position. Hey. When I forget my cool it fab, just like cola. Hey. Anytime you see me come out this trouble. Watch out, check the public library.
I guess we reached now. Lord, before we forget, just hope that, you know, this is a safe journey. We reach here in one piece, everything is good. Yada yada yada. Amen, amen, amen. Yeah, burritos right now. I'm at Trinity Mall. I have no idea where they, but apparently in the east, and the place look nice and look like me there foreign and beer things. To be honest, I never expect TNT for really be looking like all of this. This look like some part in Orlando, some look a part of New York, some look a part of Miami. Watch this. Okay, so I know I have not been vlogging because
oh my God!
And I drop asleep. I was just so tired, so I couldn't even find the time for to do anything else. And yeah, so you might have seen me in the post before with a little patch from my face. It's because I get one big old one big old boil. And me get up today and I say, you know what, I'm gonna try to squeeze it, and this is what happened. Like, look there.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit.
Look there. No, like, look right up in there. I know it is disgusting. And so may I try for just like, maybe if, oh my God, this is disgusting. For just try to get it out. And it is just such a struggle. Such a struggle.
What is?
Alright, so now I'm heading to Hilton, where apparently there's a Hilton, but my friend has decided to take me through the inner city streets of Trinidad and Tobago. Which area is this? Dunkirk?
No, Malik.
Okay.
That's correct. I think it's right here.
Okay. Also, as you can see, there are Rastafarians in Trinidad as well. There's a lot of diversity here.
Yeah, I think
okay.
This is the way.
Alright, come here. So this doesn't look really too ghetto to me. This looks very...
No, so we're going through Laventille. Alright. Yeah, this is the way. We're going through Laventille. This is Laventille.
Laventille. What do you say with the Trini accent? Laventille.
We're
going to Laventille. Laventille looking real quiet. Real quiet. Oh, Jesus. Oh.
I'm the window.
So talk to them that bit of the tour guide now. What we're seeing right now.
Alright. Hold on, let me just navigate right there. Okay, so you have different sides of Laventille, right? Mm-hmm. It's a big bit. All this go up the hill is Laventille.
Say I'm like
from that point all the way to Port of Spain.
Yeah.
All that is Laventille.
You sure the right way we are go? Just in case, most righteous and eternal Father, guide and protect us right now. Just in case. Oh, finally we see one zinc fence. One zinc fence.
Sorry.
Can I try to see what a Trinidadian good as girl? Just Christ, we don't miss her now. Lord have mercy. So we're here. Oh, that's a Trinidadian good as girl. Okay, making our way. Okay, keep moving. Oh, so nobody bleach around here?
No. Well, up further you see what the Jamaican crew there.
Wow. 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 They don't sell out Jamaican people.
So those two big buildings right there.
Something we can zoom us. Where?
These two buildings here.
Right beside each other?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, see.
That's Hyatt.
Okay.
Right. Those two buildings right there that look identical.
Yeah.
Those are the Twin Towers, the Central Bank.
Wow.
What Trinidad called the Twin Towers. That
What are the something
thing that
like
look
a stadium?
that thing that look like Sydney, Australia.
Yeah.
That's Napa, which is the national. Okay, it's Napa. I'm gonna remember what they call me. Performing Arts. So
Yeah.
National Academy of Performing
What
Arts.
are the way over the man trying to think about?
That one?
Yeah, all the way.
So that's one Woodbrook place.
Oh, okay.
High end place, like rich place.
Where's the big?
You can't see the bigger from it as well.
Just the curious.
And
Good
then
evening, gentlemen. Just ask for 1 minute, no disrespect. Good evening again.
Okay.
My name is Ernest. Truth is, I'm unemployed. I have a 1-year-old daughter to take care of. So I'm just trying to make an honest living by selling Tambron ball to take care of my child. And if you'll support what the price goes as $10 for 1, 2 for 15, or 3 for 25.
change for 100.
No, my brother. No.
We'll have
If you want, I'm a trustworthy person. I could go right there and ask one of the vendors for change. I will bring back your money for you. I ain't going around with your money. I'm a trustworthy person.
I'll get some change on from
Alright, my brother. No problem.
Alright, so I'm here at Hilton, and I'm supposed to be waiting on China K. Somebody I left my tripod stand. I wait on China K from how long? All no, she does not reach. But they have here name Tambrin. The Tambrin soon done and China K don't reach all now.
2 very boring minutes later.
Really? Finally. Finally, Jesus Christ. What taking so long?
I thought you were here with someone.
What taking no, my friend left me, my friend dropped me. And him have to go on function and then leave me. Somebody here with you, come here to find myself, go back to Aranguez.
What?
Aranguez Villas.
Oh,
With name Savannah.
very fancy.
How you finding Trinidad so far? Like how Trinidad
I didn't like
experience?
it. It's real nice.
Yeah.
I'm not coming back to Jamaica.
How much party you go so far?
A lot, you know, see my eyes.
Oh my
A lot.
God. Okay, so I'm here once again, and I'm with my new friend Alka.
Hi guys.
Hey, can you say box cover? My catchphrase on YouTube is box cover.
Basketball.
Box cover.
Basketball.
Okay, we're gonna work on it. All right,
It's a work in process.
yeah. All right, Alka. What's the best thing about Trinidad Carnival? Since I'm here, tell me, as a Jamaican, what's the best thing?
All the parties, all the fets, all the music, everything, the pumping, the constant pumping straight through the season, from as it begins.
Yeah.
Constant party.
Alright, so now I'm there in the shuttle bus heading to Lara's name, Lara's Fete.
Yeah.
And just before this would actually get to the Popo there, we actually got stopped by the Popo, the police. But luckily everything is good, you know. The officer was very nice, he was real friendly. And boy, I kinda wish that more of the officers in Jamaica would have been as calm and friendly as that, because I think would have ended up having to give them a little change in the night. but not the Trinidadian police officers. So it's quite good and everything. Alright, in a shuttle now heading to Laura's house for the event. Apparently, I don't know if I'm kind of early or I'm late, but apparently them probably party early in Trinidad because it is 11 o'clock and people there at the party like 3 hours already. This does not happen in Jamaica. At Jamaica, we don't even start being yet. We don't even start being yet. We just start probably try to put together what we are going to wear. Okay? Alright, me keep you posted on what happens next. Alright, so they at the venue now. I'm gonna know why. Watch that. The whole mountain where we have to walk up. This hell of a hill. All this cardio. By the time I reach me now, I have the energy for the interview Patrice. What if Patrice gone? Anyway.
Everybody, let's go.
Alright, so now I'm on the road. What am I there now? Avenue. I'm on Avenue. That's the place name, Avenue?
Yes.
Boy.
You have anything? Sorry. But not yet.
Avenue and where the place with the food in him?
Oh, Yusef Gyro.
Name Gyro, so I'm going to have Yusef Gyro. I don't know, but hopefully the food tastes good.
It will taste good.
Okay, make sure make sure. Alright, so this is one of the 7, one of the wonders of Trinidad. And it is called
Majestic Wonders of
the Majestic Wonders.
No, Stagmire Castle.
It's called Stagmire Castle.
Stoymire Castle.
Stoymire Castle.
Can't remember what this called.
Holy Trinity Cathedral.
I can't remember what it called.
Juve getting ready for Juve. All these different trucks here getting ready for Juve. People on the road getting ready for Juve. Juve Macana. Alright, so in a couple hours we're going to have Juve and we're there out here. So where is this?
So this is on the avenue. So as you can see, those are Spanish women.
Those are Spanish women.
So they have to pass here. All bands have to pass here.
Oh, this is where everything intersection and everything right there. So.
Oh shit! I didn't realize it. Oh my god! And these freaking.
Oh, look again, listen.
Yeah.
Yo, this is like furry.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
I'm tired. Okay, so it is Tuesday morning. I'm in the middle of Trinidad Carnival, and I'm here with, what's your name, sir? Felix. So I'm here with Felix, and Felix just now, what did you recommend for me to try?
The cassava fries.
The cassava fries.
Yeah, cassava fries.
So
Have it original and spicy.
Original and spicy. So what version do you think I should try right now?
Well, for the while, if you're around here, you're gonna get the original.
I would like to try the different. It actually tastes pretty good. It actually tastes pretty good.